Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 9. Its title is My Friend. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to express needs. Before this, in Unit 6, I have already taught you how to express your needs in class. So we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express needs. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Fatir verse 15, O mankind, you are those in need of Allah, while Allah is the free of need, the praiseworthy. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, this verse is telling us our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need Allah, but Allah does not need anything. Allah is all sufficient for himself. Allah is praiseworthy. So how do we need Allah? Beta, we need for everything. We cannot even say a word. We cannot even breathe for a second without Allah's will. So we need Allah every time, and we are thankful to Allah that Allah cares for us. Alhamdulillah. Right? So what this word need basically mean? You tell me, what do you mean by need? What do you think? What is a need? And how do you ask for something you need? How do you ask for it? Pause the video, answer these 2 questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered. Now let's see what a need is. Basically, a need is something essential, a must in a certain condition. Means in a certain condition. For example, if I ask you to write it down in your notebook. So what do you need for writing? First, you need a pencil, you need a paper. Without that, you cannot write. It means for writing, the need is a pencil, a paper, right? Likewise, if you are hungry, you need food. So food is a need to fulfill that condition. So in a condition, in a certain situation, whatever we need to complete a task, to complete something, or to even in that certain situation to even to survive, whatever is essential, whatever is a must, it is a need. Do you understand? Okay, so how do we ask for something? We ask politely and in a decent manner for something we need, right? We don't say, I'm hungry, give me food, give me food. No, Mama, I'm hungry, please give me food. This is how we express our need in a very nice and decent manner. Better, because it is a human need that we need many things in a day. Sometimes we need water, we need air, we need food, we need clothes, we need study material, many things. So if we need any help, we should ask it nicely. We should express our needs in a very nice and polite manner. Do you understand? Okay, let's see. What does your book say about it? Here is a man, here is a boy, and he's saying, I need a house to live in. Okay, so it is a need. Without house, we cannot live anywhere. So house is a need. Okay, I need clothes to wear. This is also a very important need. I need food to eat. And my children, when you will say, I need food to eat, You will say, please, mama, give me food. I need food to eat, right? Okay. I need water to drink. Please give me a glass of water. I need water to drink. Okay. I need air to breathe. This is everyone needs it. Either you say it or not. Everyone needs air. Okay. So this is how your book is telling us about how to express need. Are you clear with the concept? So let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in small groups and teacher will assign each group a character with a need to express. Okay. Teacher will tell you in a group, this group needs this group needs this, likewise. Each group will present in front of class how they will express their need. Okay. So every child will come in front of class and will tell, I need this and I need this. Okay. So pause the video, complete this activity, and everyone is going to participate, right? Very nicely you will express your needs. Complete this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you all express your needs in a very decent manner. Am I right? Okay, good job. So it's time for your homework. You will make a list of things we need in winter. Okay? Only in winter, what do we need? You will write it down and you will make a list. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And it is a very interesting worksheet, my children. What you are going to do, you will converse with your siblings or cousins at home to express your needs, and you will use appropriate language, and you will make a short video and will share it with your teacher if it is possible, right? So what we have learned today, we learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express needs. So we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express needs. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.